Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Cadillac Escalade. This iconic SUV has been completely redesigned for the new model year, and it's more luxurious and impressive than ever before. Exterior: the 2024 Escalade features a bold and modern design that's sure to turn heads. It has a long, sculpted hood, a sleek grille, and signature vertical LED taillights. The Escalade is also available in a new sport trim that adds a more aggressive front fascia, black exterior accents, and 22-inch wheels. Interior: the Escalade's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. It's available with a variety of luxurious materials, including leather, wood, and metal. The front seats are heated and cooled, and they offer plenty of legroom and headroom. The second row is also spacious and comfortable, and the third row is surprisingly usable for adults. Technology: the 2024 Escalade is packed with the latest technology features. It comes standard with the 36-speaker AKG sound system, a 16.9-inch curved OLED touchscreen infotainment system, and a digital instrument cluster. It's also available with a variety of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Performance: the 2024 Escalade is available with two powertrain options, a 6.2-liter V8 engine and a new 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine. The V8 produces 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque, while the turbocharged 6 produces 400 horsepower and 440 pounds-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Overall, the 2024 Cadillac Escalade is an impressive SUV that sets the standard for luxury and performance. It's a great choice for families who need a spacious, comfortable, and stylish SUV. If you're interested in learning more about the 2024 Cadillac Escalade, please visit your local Cadillac dealer or go to the Cadillac website. You can also follow me on social media for more car news and reviews. Thanks for watching.